Well, I told you guys I was going to try some new things, and the new thing today is the Toyota Tundra 2024. So, going to get a 6-inch lift, 24 by 12, 4-plate wheels, and some Fury tires. Let me know what you guys think about the Tundra. This one looks pretty nice. It's all black. Pretty sharp. I actually like this body style. Typically with Toyota, I'm not really a huge fan, but this one actually looked good. Gonna do the rough country 6-inch lift with struts. I kind of like the wheels that's on it now. Doesn't look too bad at all. Pretty sharp interior too in the new Tundra. Screen's huge, way bigger than the one in the Tahoe. Well guys, it's very early in the morning. It's about 7:30 on a Tuesday. I don't really have much time during the day to talk while we're out here in the shop because there's so much sound that goes on. So I wanted to kind of give everybody a little update of what's going on. The video is going to be all over the place, but you know, it is what it is. This Tundra is the first body style Tundra like this that I have lifted or we have sold a job on. I've been excited about waiting to do it because Toyota really improved this truck, in my opinion. They went to a Chevy 6-lug wheel, which is way more common for the wheels. Everything fits it now. Rough Country makes this nice 6-inch lift. There's not a whole lot of people that make a 6-inch lift for this truck yet, but Rough Country is, I think, the first. They're always the first to do every new vehicle. Hold on, I'm gonna restart after the phone stops ringing. All right, I'm back. So this is the 6-inch Rough Country with the upgraded N3 struts. I always recommend doing this upgrade. It's about, I think it's about $330 upgrade to get the struts over a big strut spacer that comes in the kit. I think it just looks so much more complete. I like it. The Tundra is similar to like a Ram 1500 or like a Chevy Tahoe or something like that in the fact that it has a 4-link suspension in the rear. A 4-link basically means that you have coil springs in the back. Your top link here is your first 2 links, and the bottom ones here are the other 2. So you have a four all control arms in the back. It handles better. It probably doesn't haul a load as good as like a leaf spring would, but it just rides better, and it does look cool too. The wheels are the 24 by 12 4-play 4PO6F, I believe is the wheel. I may have just added that F on accident, but the wheel looks really, really sharp. 35-inch Fury MT1 original treads. Look really, really cool. We're doing some front end work on this one. It's a really nice lift kit, but I'm not going to take credit that we did this because we did not. Looks pretty cool. Got some Heim joints that are squeaking on it. This truck is a guy named Joseph that is a longtime customer of ours. We worked on this truck originally in the past. We just did this 7-inch FabTech lift that they don't make anymore. This is a used lift kit off a different truck that we have refinished. But today he's getting these 26 by 14 new KG1s. It's called the Buckler. It just came out maybe a month and a half ago. Looks really, really cool. The tires, the 35, 13, 50, 26 Fury MT. I really like the fact that Fury makes two different tires that will go on a 26 by 14. They make a 35, 13, 50, 26, and they make a 35, 15, 50, 26. This is the 1350. I think it looks a little better sometimes because it has that little stretch to it right there on the side. But if you want the tire to be as wide as the wheel, you can do the 35, 15, 50, and it sits really square. So this is McNeely's truck. I say his company name wrong all the time. He does powder coating for us. He does, it's H2G Customs or HG2 Customs. I get it wrong every time. I'm sorry, Andrew, if you're watching. This is 2020 Ram 2500 on 26 by 16s. And a big old fat striker lift kit. Polished overlays, cradle, traction bars. It's a long story on this truck. It's been parked for about 2 years, but we're about to get it back running finally. So that one will be cool. Anyway, I'll add some more content later on today once the sun comes out. And I appreciate you guys watching. Got the Tundra done for you. This one's a really cool one to me because I don't usually do Toyotas, and there's not a lot of shops in the country right now that really are putting out any Toyota Tundras. They hold a bigger tire and wheel than the last body style. In fact, they hold a bigger tire and wheel than a Ford, Chevy, or a Dodge right now without any trimming. We did a little small trimming on this one because we did the 12-inch wide wheel, but 6-inch rough country lift with a 12-inch wide wheel and a 35 with that small of amount of trimming, it looks amazing. So tell me what you guys think. I'm gonna go over the details one more time on the truck and let it go on down the road. Thank you. This thing's absolutely awesome to me. I really like that Rough Country did a little silver badge on the front of the lift kit now. This is new for them. They're usually not so giving with the accessories like that and the bling. Did a 24 by 12 4-play 4PO6 wheel. Super deep concave in a black and like gunmetal color. And of course we did the 35, 1350, 24 Fury MTs. Paired up really nice. This truck got the struts with the lift kit. This is an upgrade that they do from Rough Country. And I'm gonna be honest with you, this is a two-wheel drive truck. Rough Country did not advertise that this would work on anything but the four-wheel drive, so Kind of took a risk with it, but I tried it and it worked. So Rough Country, you need to update that website because she driving. If you guys have any questions, you know to call me at the shop, Southern Tire. It's 678-994-9180. Or you can email me at jake@southernTire4x4.com. Thanks for watching.